Hey there, food lovers! Get ready for a treat that's as pretty as a fall day and tastes even better. We've created the most amazing Bloomin' Apple ever. This dessert is perfect for a cozy night in or a festive gathering. It's easier than you think, we promise. Let's get baking. Prepare to be amazed at how little we truly need to create this extraordinary masterpiece. Pick a crisp apple. Honeycrisp or Granny Smith are my favorites. We also need butter and brown sugar, and cinnamon for that warm, comforting flavor. Dive into a scoop of creamy vanilla ice cream. The perfect finishing touch will take your dessert experience to exhilarating new heights. Treat yourself to an indulgence like no other. To start off right, let's thoroughly wash that apple. Now grab your apple core and carefully remove the core. We aim to keep things focused and not get too deep into the apple. Let's craft a delightful little well to hold our scrumptious filling. This is where the magic happens. In the heart of the kitchen, where creativity and passion come together to create something extraordinary. Today, we will transform a simple apple into a beautiful, delicious bloom. It's a process that requires patience and a lot of love, but the result is worth every moment. Carefully slice the apple, but don't cut it through. This step is crucial because it allows the apple to hold its shape while still being easy to eat. Use a sharp knife and take your time, ensuring each slice is even and precise. We aim to create thin, uniform slices that will fan out beautifully when we're done. Be sure to leave approximately a ½ inch intact at the bottom. This uncut section serves as the anchor that keeps all the slices united. Think of it as the spine of a book, which holds everything together while still allowing the pages to fan out beautifully. Measure with precision and steer clear of cutting through this crucial area, as it's vital for achieving an impressive final presentation. Imagine slicing an apple into thin, connected wedges that fan out beautifully at the base. Each piece should be cut to the same thickness, allowing them to cook evenly and create a striking visual presentation. This technique elevates the apple's appearance to stunning heights and guarantees that every bite bursts with a harmonious blend of flavor and texture. It's all about crafting that perfect balance while impressing anyone who sees or tastes it. Now, gently fan out the slices. This is where the apple starts to resemble a blooming flower. Take your time to spread the slices evenly, creating a beautiful, symmetrical pattern. The more care you put into this step, the more impressive the final dish will look. It's all about the details, so don't rush. Time to sprinkle that brown sugar and cinnamon all over, getting in all the nooks and crannies. This mixture adds a warm, sweet flavor that complements the natural tartness of the apple. Be generous with the seasoning, making sure every slice is coated. The sugar will caramelize as it bakes, creating a delicious, sticky glaze that enhances the apple's natural sweetness. And the cinnamon adds a touch of spice that makes each bite feel like a warm hug. Enjoy the process, and remember, the love you put into your cooking always shines through in the final dish. Get ready for an exciting adventure in the kitchen. It's apple transformation time. Today, we're diving headfirst into the delightful and mouth-watering world of baked apples. This quick and easy treat is not just delicious, it's perfect for any occasion. Whether enjoying a cozy night in or celebrating with friends and family at a festive gathering. Let's get those ovens heated and embark on this delicious journey together. To start strong, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This step is essential for achieving an evenly baked apple with the perfectly tender texture you desire. Don't skip it. While it's heating up, take a moment to prepare your apple. Choose a good baking apple like a Granny Smith or Honeycrisp. Wash the core and place it in a baking dish. The dish should be just the right size to hold the apple snugly. To elevate your dish, start by dotting the top with delightful pats of butter. This step is crucial, as the butter will melt and cascade into the apples, infusing them with a rich, creamy, irresistible texture. Aim for about a tablespoon of butter, cut into small, generous pieces, and scatter them evenly across the surface. Trust me, you'll love the depth of flavor it brings. This will elevate your dish to a whole new level of decadence. The butter melds beautifully with the apple's natural juices, creating a delectable sauce that envelops every bite. You won't want to skip this step. It transforms your baked apple into something truly special. Pop it in the oven and bake for about 30 to 40 minutes. Keep an eye on it as it bakes. You want the apple to be tender but not mushy. The skin should start to wrinkle, and the filling should bubble, or until the apple is tender and the filling is bubbly. Once it's done, carefully remove it from the oven and let it cool for a few minutes. The aroma will be irresistible, but giving it a little time to set will make it even better. Serve it warm, perhaps with a scoop of vanilla ice cream or a dollop of whipped cream. Enjoy your delicious baked apple. Now it's time for the grand finale, serving your masterpiece. This is the moment you've been eagerly anticipating, the peak of all your dedication and effort. Prepare to unveil your creation in its splendor and bask in the excitement of sharing it with the world. Once your Bloomin' Apple is out of the oven, let it cool for a few minutes. This step is crucial as it allows the flavors to settle and the dessert to firm up slightly, making it easier to handle. The aroma that fills your kitchen during this time is simply irresistible, a tantalizing preview of the deliciousness to come. Carefully transfer it to a plate. It's going to be hot. Use oven mitts to protect your hands from the heat. The Bloomin' Apple is delicate at this stage, so handle it gently to maintain its beautiful shape. The golden brown exterior should be slightly crisp, while the inside remains tender and juicy. Now for the best part, add a scoop of that vanilla ice cream right on top. The contrast between the warm apple and the cold ice cream creates a delightful sensory experience. The creamy texture of the ice cream perfectly complements the soft, spiced apple. As the ice cream melts, it mixes with the warm apple juices. Pure heaven. The combination of flavors and temperatures is a treat for your taste buds. The melting ice cream forms a luscious sauce that enhances the apple's sweetness and the spice's richness. This is the moment to savor, a reward for your culinary efforts. Enjoy every bite of your masterpiece, and don't forget to share it with loved ones, if you can bear to part with it. Let's pause for a moment to savor the delightful experience of crafting a Bloomin' Apple. A joyful journey sparks creativity and brings a splash of fun. This dessert is not just about delicious flavors or beautiful presentations. It's about the creative experience of making something special. From choosing the ideal apple to skillfully carving it into a blooming flower, every step offers a chance to showcase your creativity. The process is almost meditative, allowing you to focus on the details and craft something unique. It's a delightful way to spend time in the kitchen, turning simple ingredients into a masterpiece. And then, there's the satisfaction of sharing your creation with friends and family. Imagine the looks of amazement and delight as you present your beautifully bloomed apple. The joy it brings others is a testament to your effort and creativity. It's a dessert that tastes incredible and brings people together, creating moments of happiness and connection. So, as you enjoy your Bloomin' Apple, take pride in what you've created. You've transformed an ordinary apple into a work of art, a delicious symbol of your creativity and culinary skill. This is more than just a dessert. It is a celebration of the joy of cooking and the happiness it brings to those around you. So grab your apron, pick an apple, and remember the joy of creating and sharing what makes this dessert truly special. Now you are blooming with us. Congratulations, you all did amazing. We're so proud of your beautiful Bloomin' Apples. Now snap a picture and share it with us on social media. You can even post your creations in the comments below. Want to stay sweet? Subscribe for more deliciousness. Don't miss out on more tasty adventures. Hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more down-home recipes. Ring that notification bell so you never miss a new sweet treat update. Thank you for watching. We can't wait for you to experience the delightful magic of your blooming apple. It's sure to be just as incredible as the dessert itself. Savor every delightful moment to the fullest. Get ready for our next delicious journey. Until then, keep the excitement alive. Happy baking.